Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix Helldivers 2 stuck on black screen. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of the available games will be present. Here, tap on the Library tab at the top of your screen and all of your downloaded games will be displayed. As you can see, I don't have the Helldivers game, but I will guide you through the whole process. First of all, click on the games tile located at the left side of your screen. After that, right-click on it, select Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. Inside the games directory, access the bin folder and then delete the Game Guard folder. Once you have deleted it, right-click on the game's icon and open its properties. Inside Properties, navigate to the Compatibility tab and make sure to check mark this Run as an Administrator feature. After that, open any type of browser on your device and search for VC Redist. Now open the official Microsoft website and scroll down a little bit. Here, download any one of the preferred version and install it on your PC. After the installation is done, the last thing you need to do is to go back to the Steam app. Right-click on the game tile, select Properties, and then inside the Installed Files tab, select Verify Game Files. This will automatically scan all of the folders and fix them by itself. That's how you can fix Helldivers 2 stuck on black screen. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.